patrons, it's Larissa. I'm here again with another box full of books. These are all going to be adult books that I'm going to unbox here for you. If there's anything here that you'd like to put on hold, and none of them are cataloged yet as they just got here, so I'm going to put a link down below in the description to a form you can use. So you'll just put in your name, your library barcode, and then check off all the items you'd like to put on hold and hit submit, and then we'll get that form and we'll put those on hold for you so that when they're cataloged, you'll get them right away. Even after they're cataloged, that form will still work. You can always use that. You can also leave a comment in the comments below, or you can message us on Facebook or send me an email. I'll put that in there as well. So I'm going to open up this box and we'll see what's inside. Oh, looks like a pretty good mix of fiction and nonfiction. We've got a new Lisa Gardner, Before She Disappears. Nuanced and complex, Before She Disappeared proves once more that Lisa Gardner knows how to set a hook better than anyone. Like a nonfiction, The Doctor's Blackwell, How Two Pioneering Sisters Brought Medicine to Women and Women to Medicine. All doctors and all patients owe a debt to these eccentric, determined, brilliant characters, Elizabeth and Emily Blackwell, who found their way across the strange and bloody landscape of 19th century medicine and transformed it forever, all brilliantly conjured in Janice P. Nomura's wonderful book. Get what's yours for healthcare. How to find the best health insurance, top quality doctors and hospitals, the care you need and the care you don't. Better and cheaper care and drugs. Solutions to your medical debt. What healthcare really costs, by Philip Moyer. Oh, another fiction thriller by Faye Kellerman, The Lost Boys. It's a Decker Lazarus novel. In class with the most literate, facile, and engaging writers in the business. Exceptionally fine suspense. The Crooked Path to Abolition. Abraham Lincoln and the Anti-Slavery Constitution by James Oakes, who apparently is the winner of the Lincoln Prize. And another nonfiction title, Saving Justice, Truth and Transparency and Trust, by James Comey, #1 best-selling author of A Higher Loyalty. James Comey, a former FBI director and best-selling author of A Higher Loyalty, uses his esteemed career in the law to show how to best restore trust in the United States Department of Justice. And a new novel by George Saunders, who wrote Lincoln in the Bardo. This one is called A Swim in a Pond in the Rain, in which 4 Russians give a master class on writing, reading, and life. It's a compilation of 4 short stories by Russian authors. Nothing has been read its last rites more frequently than the American short story. George Saunders proves yet again to be the form's one-man defibrillator. But that's really interesting. The short story definitely has seen a dip. We try to order some short stories, but they don't really go out very well. So George Saunders is apparently trying to resurrect the writing form. Good luck to him. And by Emma Lord, You Have a Match. A new love, a secret sister, and a summer she'll never forget. Oh, and a new Preston Child book. I know he has a lot. They have a lot of fans here. The Scorpion's Tale. The discovery of a mummified corpse in a legendary ghost town sets off a treasure hunt that will expose a shocking secret that reshapes history itself. And a nonfiction, More Than a Body. Your Body is Not an Instrument, Not an Ornament, by Lindsay Kite, PhD, and Lexi Kite, PhD. There's a quote from Chelsea Clinton on the top. An indispensable resource for women of all ages. This is a guide to help us better connect to ourselves, to value ourselves, to love ourselves, and ultimately to be ourselves. A book about positive body image for women and young girls. And the last book in here is another nonfiction, White Feminism, From the Suffragettes to the Influencers and Who They Leave Behind by Koa Beck. Intellectually smart and emotionally intelligent, Beck brilliantly articulates how feminism has failed women of color and non-binary people. She illuminates the broad landscapes of systemic oppression and demands that white feminism evolve, lest it continue to be as oppressive as the patriarchy. Now there you go. Those are all the books that I have in the box today. Again, there's a form that'll have all these books on it. They're not in Prairie Cat. You won't find them there. If you go into the description down below of this video, you'll find the form that you can put any of these books on hold, or you can send me a message either here or in my email, which will also be below, or on Facebook, wherever works for you. Or you can give us a call, of course. So just let us know. I hope you're having a happy New Year.